Minister of Defence don't send another message. Oh, come, why all of una just they use me as messenger this period? Anyhow, he can't call me. He say, Madam Aproko, I beg send this thing to these people. I beg make una no insult me. Now message I can't deliver. You understand? And according to Ran, he say make una stop to dey coward. You understand? Say this responsibility no be only for military people. We una go just leave military people do all the protection alone by themselves. Make una stop they run away from minor aggressions. Say wait oh, make I use your own English. He say when bandits come, say they fit just carry three they fit just shoot 3 times or 2 times. Wah wah wah. Now some people go start they run. He say why una they run? Make una stand there and fight this fight. You understand? No be me talking. So Biko, for confirmation's sake, I don't bring them. So join me, make we listen to them.
Is it the responsibility of the military alone? It's the responsibility of everybody to keep alert and find safety when necessary. But we shouldn't be cowards. At times, the banditry will only come with about 3 rounds of ammunition. When they fire shot, everybody runs. In our younger days, we stand to fight any aggression coming to us. I don't know why people are running away from minor things like that. They should stand and let these people know that even the villagers, they have the competence and capability to defend themselves. But our own duty is to ensure no Nigerian is hurt, and we're capable of protecting the integrity of this nation. And we will continue to do it, even though we are so strong.
I beg. I want make this be the last time I go ask this question. Who they supply these people with? Who they supply them? If you know say now you and you they watch me now, make that nonsense stop. Oh. Make this February be the last month for this year. Why una go they misbehave? How Minister of Defence go come outside say this kind talk? Defense. Una know wetin be the meaning of defense? How this man go? No, like I not just understand. These people be like say if they sleep, they know they wake up for the same place where they sleep. You know what many Nigerians carry guns? If we bring guns matana, say we dey plan or may una support us for this one, una go call us hoodlums. No name una no go call us so. Now we have stopped the gun matter. You know what may we carry gun, but you want make we go fight. Which fight will they go fight? No, I just they ask. Which? Hey, wahala we both straight. Those people now, when they refer those bandits, if these people come they fight now, they know they come empty handle. They use rocket launchers. They get weapons. So we go just go there, say we they fight. We go stand with our bare hands, ordinary hands, say we they go fight. No, now we good to die. Then you good. Your own are just to stand in front of camera. They yarn nonsense matter where I don't even know. Imagine even open mouth to say when he dey young, in they used to this thing. Say in they fight when he dey young. Oga, you they fight when you dey young. How come you get escort? No, how come you get escort now? Only you. You get like how many bodyguards? And all those bodyguards where you carry, they get weapons past Boko Haram self. When you were young, when you were young, who is concerned? And on top of that, una go still they collect tax from people. Una not even they protect people. I beg, why will they pay tax? Why will they pay tax when government not fit doing work? What a shame. In fact, this one I don't know whether na joke, but may person just wake me up now. It always dey easy. Make these people come outside, they talk nonsense. If now so this thing they easy as you they talk, make we go fight. Ungwanu, send your children from abroad, make they come stand with us, they fight now. Send them. Why you go hide them there? Is it not fight? I mean my people, no be to fight. We go stand, but we need in children. And that stand where we they go stand and children, now their children go they front. Oh. We go there behind their children. You stand and fight. All the headsmen now una don't agree as una get meeting una agree say they go they carry AK-47 where then those ones too they for follow join for people wey go stand for front oh because now people who na don't agree now give weapon. See who they talk. Nye, 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 nye. Una remember the former chief of defense? How he die? No be highway, no be highway where they way. E dey easy to talk. E dey very easy. You get bodyguards. Your bodyguards get weapons. You yourself, I dey sure say even you get weapons. You get wetin you dey use protect yourself. Citizens, wetin una don give us? No be hopeless hopes. Today, this one go come speak English. Wear agbada, wear this one. Na the only thing wey we don receive from una. Yet, insecurity dey even increase. Continue to dey talk inside the nonsense wey you dey talk. Just continue. You are talking in the nonsense, inside the rubbish, inside the. In fact, all of una see, make una just get out before I go do something wey all of us go just regret, because now my blood dey hot. Which kind talk be this one? You no even care about anybody. You no just care. Abeg, biko, all of you in uniform, except if you dey support this man. When next there is problem, war, something with gas to do with gun shooting for Nigeria, we go look for this man, make he go stand. That your skills wey you get when you dey young, abeg, you don tey, we never even witness am. So you go come outside, make we witness, lead by example. You understand? You go teach us how to stand. You go teach us how to fight back. And after that one, if you survive, only if you survive, we go stand, then we go fight. But other one, your children must dey here. You understand? Charity begins at home. No come dey tell us plenty nonsense. I be my people, wetin I don talk now wey bad. I just bring my own suggestion. You understand? So if you agree with me, still drop am for that comment section. If you no agree with me, still drop am for that comment section. I go reply on one by one. Share this video, because this man need hear me. Because now my mission na to put sense inside anybody wey no get sense. I'm not talking anything. I can't do good work. You understand? Stay tuned for our next story. New chairperson for EFCC. My people, Buhari don dey at work again. This one dey latest. As I dey talk to Nana, Ibrahim don comot for seat. Buhari himself don write to the Senate this thing, content and say, nah, he dey appoint this new person. Say he don remove that one because many corruption, many bribery, in fact, if for now we no even know this Ibrahim where they talk about, he matter don full book. You understand? For this last year we just passed 22 corruption allegation against this man. Only one person 22. Ha! Omo, in matter don full for Buhari here. Now why Buhari now he don say okay, me step down because he don get another one wey go come on seat. And person wey dey come on seat now, his name na Bawa. They sure say many of una go even know am. Bawa, this one, according to matter wey reach me, they say him get a BSc degree for economics, masters in international affairs. In fact, many things. They say the guy read books. Now him dey take over Ibrahim. Wetin una dey expect again? Senate go approve this thing. In fact, they do already approve am. No be one thing. Later from Buhari, make Senate no approve am. They do approve am. See, as long as say na Nodna dey involve, forget am. They don't even sign am finish. I no get any problem with changing of people. You understand? Where person no, they don't remove this one because they look for better person. I don't get any problem. My problem now with all this matter where they grant. Why be say every time na Abdul they come sit? Every time Abdul, if no be not now, we not go hear any other name. When Nigerians they vote for president, we been they vote for president for the whole of Nigeria. We be like say nah. Make I not even involve myself. All of una know myself. APC, say Baba, see say Baba now. Now we get president for the North. We no get president of Nigeria. Northerners don't occupy. In fact, they don't carry all the space where normal people supposed carry. This Buhari tribalism matter, it don't tire me. Like it dey shock me every day. I know say I not supposed they shock, but the thing they shock. Like as the days they pass, they get new shocking things. Buhari, make I even bust on her head. Abi he change Ibrahim for Bawa based on corruption level, all those plenty things, you understand? Okay, now una no go even believe say this same Bawa now wey dey just put on that seat, Ibrahim bin arrest am before. Why? They say fraud, this oil matter. They say Bawa if una see money wey this man thief, na im Buhari now don go brick put for that seat. Why Nigeria no go dey the way e dey? No, make person tell me why Nigeria no. E dey very obvious say na cow dey rule Nigeria. Cows. Now why we no even know whether we dey move forward or we dey one place or we dey go back. Like, I no just understand. You remove devil assistant, then you come put devil himself. So who dey come lead who now? If you say you dey fight corruption or you say you dey fight bribery, even though you dey fight am, why you no look for person wey, see, I know say nobody dey perfect, but at least people still dey way better pass these two. These two now. Buhari, I no just see, I dey tell una this thing every day, but the day go come when I go see am. Buhari take vow with Northerners. E be like say they do blood covenant. Because this man no be himself again. People just dey remote am. They remote am. They just tell am one thing, go just do am. Malam na malam o. Una go tell me say na this one read books. I no say read books. Malam still be malam. If you like, go school. If you like, wear suit. If you like, barb your hair, you still be malam. Nothing change am. See plenty things wey this one go learn abroad. People go don dey hail am now. Everybody don dey tell am say read this one, do masters, do this one. All that one na with our money. With our money, wey we still dey suffer, na only one person go read all these titles just to consider. Una know how many educated Yoruba people dey there, Igbo people. Make I no even talk of the rest of the tribes. Now wey na Northerners na only dey rule. I for don Chineke, I no just know. See, I for don sit down now, tell this one say I hope say he go do better. You understand? I be one wish am well. Before I hear say na Bawa, I be 1 week, because as I hear say they don dey change, at least change is constant, and we dey change people because of good things. When this matter reach me, I don dey happy say okay, at least this person go do well, this person. Omo, as I hear say na Bawa, my people, I change my mind. I change my mind. I no dey wish anybody well, because last e go come end up dey do the same thing wey this one dey do, if not worse. So now when these people enter seat, una go dey see their true colors. So me, I no dey wish anybody good luck. I no dey wish, if you like, as you sit down now, empty the whole Nigeria. E no go shock us, because we don already dey used to this system. No be new thing to us. We know how una dey operate. You wey dey arrest before, you don consider now. So this time around, wetin dey come tell us? Imagine person wey dey arrest before, fraud. Na im go soon start dey give us advice. And una expect make we lis ten to this one. Nigeria, na only prayers now fit hold this country. Anything aside, see, no meeting go change Nigeria. If you like, get 100 meetings in one day, e no go change anything. Because see, for this country to be changed, the people in power need to be changed. You no fit, that thing wey they talk, you no fit you put new wine inside old bottle. E no dey possible. Everything must be new. Na like this una dey find change. Na like this, merry-go-round. You go remove this one, put that one. You go even very soon now, they go soon go carry criminals as president. I no go dey shocked. How una go dey behave like this? Many educated people dey there wey if you put them on that seat, something go change for this country. But no, selfish reasons. Nobody is looking at another person, only in people. Abeg, make 2023 reach, because as I dey like this, Oti sue me. I am tired. So I just dey wait for 2023. And for una, say Baba group, say Baba gang, go vote again. Oh. I be like say this one wey una don swallow, e never do una. Now una bring am there, so una go endure all the things una put. Una go endure and join. You understand? My people, I don't bring the matter for una. So anything wey you guys to say concerning this thing, if you agree, make this man Bawa dey on that seat, still put am there. You understand? I go reply una one by one. Comment and subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything wey we drop. Stay tuned for our next stories.